In this video, we're going to look at how to look at multiple rows in another table. But the question is, how do you look at all of the rows in another table if you want to pull in all of them into this current table? So the use case in this example is for recruitment or for outsourcing companies. We have a list of our most placeable candidates. So this list right here contains a list of candidates. And this data is coming in from Salesforce. So we're using Clay's Salesforce integration to pull this data in. And we want to pull in all of these most placeable candidates into our jobs table, which is here, so that we can then analyze the full array of the data, analyze all of the candidates in their most placeable candidates table to determine which candidate is the most suitable candidate for this particular job in this row. And then in order to do that, we need to pull in all of these candidates, right? So let me show you another example. Here is a table of accountants. So how do we pull all of them into another table? So in order to pull them all in, we need to create a new column that contains a certain value that is the same for every single row. Now that value can be anything, it can be any word you want. So we go add column and then formula, and we're going to say if, and then we're just going to choose any column that we know is populated. For example, let's choose full name, contains values, output, table. So table is my arbitrary word that I'm using. So we click generate formula and you can see a preview of it, and it is outputting the word table. So we're going to click save formula, and here it is. You can see that all of these contain the word table, and it says output condition. I'm going to rename it and call it table. And so from there, what we can do is, I'll show you in this jobs table right here. So we can go to add enrichment, and we can go to lookup multiple rows in other table. So click on that. And from there, what you can do is choose the table that you want to search. So in this example, I need to look at my jobs EA table, no, my NPCs EA table. NPCs means most placeable candidates. And then what is your target column? So for me, it's the table column. And then what is the filter operator? Is it equals or is it contains? I'm going to choose contains. And then what is the row value? The row value is table. And then we can click save. I'm going to click save and don't run. So it's creating that column. And now if we click on this first row, for example, you're going to see that it shows that there are 100 records found. And if we click on that, we have our records here. And if we open up any of these, they contain all of the data of those candidates in that other table. That's the end of this video. Just wanted to show you how you can look up multiple rows in another table when you need all of the rows. Even when all the values are different, you can create a column that contains all of the same value so that you can look them all up and pull them into this table. So if you want more content like this, and you want to learn more about Clay, data enrichment, and outbound marketing, then subscribe to the channel. I have a ton more content coming. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.